Hello, my name is Tandy, and welcome to Weimiao Control Panels. We are a precisional manufacturer based in Guangdong, China, specializing in PLC control panels, electric cabinets, and custom-made automation solutions. Behind me, you can see our engineers working on PLC control panels. At Weimiao, we combine precision engineering with hand-on expertise. Our team is highly experienced in panel design, wiring, assembly, and testing. Every panel is carefully built and ensures safety, reliability, and long service life. We offer custom-made PLC control panels for different industries, professional engineering drawings and wiring layout, PLC programming and system integration, on-site commissioning and technical support. Whether you need a single control cabinet or complete automation system, our team can deliver efficiency and cost-effective solutions. Over the years, we have several clients from Europe, Middle East, and Asia, earning trustful quality and timely delivery. At Weimiao Control Panels, our mission is simple: build reliable control panels that power your success. So, thank you for watching, and we look forward to work with you.